In a quiet village surrounded by hills and rivers, there lived a young man named Rian. He ran a small bakery that had been in his family for generations. His days were simple, baking bread, greeting villagers, and watching his shop slowly grow. Life seemed ordinary but peaceful, and Rian loved it that way. One fateful evening, as he was closing the bakery, a fire broke out. Flames devoured the wooden shelves, ovens, and jars of ingredients. Despite the villagers' efforts, the bakery was reduced to ashes. Rian watched helplessly as years of hard work vanished in minutes. For days, he wandered the village, stunned and heartbroken. He felt empty, questioning everything he had done. The neighbors whispered, "How can he survive? He has lost everything." Rian stayed silent, unsure if he even wanted to survive. One evening, tired and hopeless, he walked into the nearby forest. The smell of wet earth and pine soothed him. That's when he saw it. A phoenix perched on a branch, its feathers glowing like molten gold. The fire from its wings reflected in Rian's teary eyes. The phoenix spoke, not with words, but with a presence that seemed to reach into his soul. "Rian, every ending is a beginning. What you've lost is not gone. It's preparing you for something greater." Rian sat beneath the phoenix, thinking. The fire, which he had seen as a curse, had forced him to pause, reflect, and learn. He realized that he had been too focused on comfort and routine. He had never taken risks, never tried new things. Now, he had a blank canvas, a chance to rebuild not just his bakery, but his life. The next day, Rian returned to the ruins. Instead of despair, he felt determination. He began clearing the ashes, salvaging what little remained, and planning anew. This time, he envisioned a cafe, a place where people could learn baking, share stories, and enjoy fresh pastries. He poured all his energy, creativity, and heart into rebuilding. Months passed. Slowly, customers began to visit. Word spread about Rian's cafe, not just for its delicious bread, but for the warmth and inspiration he shared with everyone. People admired him not only for his baking skills but for his courage, resilience, and the way he had risen stronger from his loss. Years later, the cafe became the heart of the village, a place of laughter, learning, and hope. And Rian? He often looked at the sunset from his cafe window, remembering the fire and the phoenix, knowing that his greatest loss had led him to his greatest life. Loss is never the end. It is often the beginning of something greater. Every failure, setback, or hardship teaches resilience, patience, and vision. When life takes something away, it's creating space for something better. Your losses are not punishments, they are the seeds of your future success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of the Smile Spritz family. See you soon with another story.